Dear students, I am Devinder, Maths sir. Now you can see your class 10th Maths.
Now you can see here difference of sets. Difference of sets means you can see here the difference set of set A and B is the set of elements which belongs to A but do not belongs to B only. See, remember here. For example, you can see here A minus B. We can represent it in the set builder form. Here the set of all x such that x belongs to A. X belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. That means the elements which are only belongs to A only. See here a minus b means the elements which belongs to A only. See, if you are taking element here, that element will be belongs to B also or not, so that you can don't take from B also. So that just remember here A minus B means the set of elements that belongs to only set A, only set A. So that purpose we can represent in here x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. For example, if I am writing here b minus A, b minus a, you can represent here b minus a is equal to x such that x belongs to b and x does not belongs to a. If you are writing, see, for example, I am mentioning here, see, b minus a is equal the set of all x such that x belongs to b, x belongs to b and x does not belongs to a, x does not belongs to A. How can you represent? Just you can say this is the set A, sorry B, this is A. For example, for your easy purpose I am taking it, this is set B, this is set A. See here, the element will belongs to B or not, so that you can take here the shaded part only will mention B minus A. This is the B minus A only. Why? Because we will not consider A elements. Yes or no? X does not belongs to A or not. This is your B minus A. This will be A minus B. You can consider this is the universal set. If you want, you can take here also universal set. This is B minus A. This will be A minus B. Now you can see here exercise 2.2 first question. If A is equal to the set of elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then find A intersection B and B intersection A, are they equal? First of all, I am writing here, you can see here, first of all I am writing given. What are the givens here? A is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. We need to find which one. A intersection B. Intersection means you can write here with the elements which are common in the both the sets. Now you can compare, is there any common elements? See here, 1 also common, yes. 2 also common, yes. 3 also common, yes. Is there any other than elements? No. So that you can write here 1, 2, 3. The elements which are common in the both the sets is A intersection B. Yes or no? A intersection B is equal 1, 2, 3. Now you can see here B intersection A. Now you can see which elements are common in both the sets here. 1, 2, 3. Here also you can write here 1, 2, 3 only. That means can I write here A intersection B is equals B intersection A or not? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. So that you can write here in the question, are they equal or not? Yes. Both A intersection B, comma B intersection A are equal. Is it okay? Just very easiest problem. Just you can consider intersection means the elements which are common in the both the sets. Now you can see a second question. A is equal the set of elements 0, 2, 4. Find A intersection 5 and A intersection A comments. First of all, I am writing here given A is equal 0, 2, 4 and I am writing here A intersection 5. You know that first of all, you know what do you mean by 5? 5 is a null set. That means there is no element in the given set. So that I am saying here the set of 0, 2, 4 intersection 5. That means you can remember here 5 means I already explained. See here 0, 2, 4 intersection, this is the empty set. Yes or no? 5 means it is the empty set. Now can you, I already explained, intersection means the common elements. Now you can compare, is there any common elements? There is no common element, so that your answer will become 5 only. Yes or no? There is no common element in the given both the sets. Now you can see here A intersection A is equal 0 to 4, intersection 0 to 4. Is there any common elements? Yes, 0 is the common, 2 is the common, 4 is also common. That means you can write here 0 comma 2 comma 4. Now you can see 0 2 4 means it is the set A or not? Yes, you can write here A only. Therefore you can write here answer as A intersection 5 is equal 5 only. A intersection A is equal A only. Is it okay? Next problem, once you can see here, if A is equal 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 and B is equal 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma 15, find A minus B and B minus A. That means we need to find a difference of sets. Difference of sets A and B. Difference of sets B minus B and A. That means you can see here B given A is equal and B. I written next of all A minus B. You need to write here A minus B. That means you can see here which are the common elements in the both the sets here. 2, 4, 6, 10. Only 6 is the common or not? Yes, so that you can cancel only 6. Is there any common elements? There is no common element in the both the sets, so that you can write the remaining elements in A only. You can consider here only set A. That means 2, 4, 8, 10. This is your answer. A minus B is equal to 4, 8, 10. Now you can see here B minus A. B minus A means you can see here which are the common elements in the both the sets. Only 6. Yes or no? That means you can cancel it. You can write the remaining elements in the set B. That means here 3, 9, 12, 15. This is the easiest one. This is your solution. Now you can see here fourth question. If A and B are two sets such that A subset B, then what is A union B? Once you can see here what they have given that A and B are two sets. Yes or no? Yes. And also they given that A is subset of B. A is subset of B. So that A union B is always A union B is always, your answer is B only. Why? Because A is the subset of B. So that A union B means you will get B only answer. How can you just, you can see one more example. I will say one example here. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Next you can see here B is equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here all the elements of A are belongs to set B or not? Yes or no? 1 is belongs to B, 2 is belongs to B, 3 also belongs to B or not? Therefore, can I write here A is subset of B or not? Yes. Now can you say A union B? A union B is equals here 1, 2, 3 union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see what will happen. Once you can combine together, you can write all the elements together. You can write only one time. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means it is the set B or not? Yes or no? That means your answer is how much? A union B is equal to B only. Similar way, here if A is subset of B, A union B is always B only. Now you can see here another question. Fifth one. If A is equal the set of all x such that x is a natural number. Here x is a natural number of set A. Set B is an even natural number. Set C is an odd natural number. Set D is prime number set. So that you need to find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, C intersection D. First of all, I am writing here what they have given in the question. A is equal to x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number means you know that C natural numbers will be here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Yes or no? 7 up to infinity. Yes or no? Yes. First of all, after that I am writing here x is an even natural number. Even natural number means you know that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 Yes or no? These are the even natural numbers. Next one, x is an odd natural number. Odd natural numbers means you can represent here 1, 3, 5, 7, here 9, 11 like that up to infinity. These are all odd natural numbers. See one more here, d is equal to x such that x is a prime number. You know prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Yes or no? You know prime numbers. See here, finally we have written in the form of roster form. Yes or no? These are all roster forms. Elements are separated by commas within the braces, and also the question in the given in the form of set builder form. Yes or no? First of all, we need to write set builder form to roster form. After that, you can do here A intersection B, A intersection C, and the remaining. Now you can see what they are asking here. First one, A intersection B. A intersection B. That means A means which is that A is a natural number. That means I am taking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Intersection B means 2, 4, 6. That means here all even natural numbers. Yes or no? Which are the common in this both the sets here? 2 common, 4 common, next will be 6 also common or not? That means all these are even natural numbers or not? Yes. So that you can write here our answer is even natural numbers. Yes or no? Even natural numbers means your answer is which one? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. In the similar way, you can see here A intersection C. A means it is a natural number set. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and also. See here intersection C means, already I told that C means here odd natural numbers. You know odd numbers? Yes or no? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, all these. Once you can observe which are the common in the both the sets here. 1 common, 3 common, 5 common. Yes or no? That means these are all odd natural numbers or not? So that your answer will be equal to odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. That means which are? What is your answer? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. You can write here. Next one more here, A intersection D. A means a natural number, D means a prime numbers or not? Yes, so that I am writing here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Intersection D means D is the set of prime numbers. That means here 2, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7 and here 11, 13 and so on. See here A intersection D. Intersection D means will you get the which are common in the both the sets prime numbers or not? Yes, you can write here prime numbers only. That means I am writing here prime numbers. Prime numbers. That means your answer will be 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Next one here, B intersection C. B intersection C. B means which set here? B is a set of even natural numbers. Yes or no? Even natural numbers. For easiest purpose, I am writing here numbers. We can do direct problem also. See here, even natural numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection C means, see here, C means an odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Once you can observe here, is there any common numbers? 2, 4, 6, 7. These are all even numbers. These are all odd numbers. Is there any common? There is no common element in the both the sets. That means it is a null set. Yes or no? 5 it is. Next one more here. B intersection D. B intersection D means B is a which is the set? B is an even natural number. Yes or no? B is an even natural number. That means here 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Intersection D means D is a prime number or not? Yes. That means I am taking here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. See which is the common in the both sets. C. 2 is the common or not? Yes or no? 2 means we can represent it is, your answer will become 2 only. Yes or no? Now you can see here question number 6. If A is equal 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and B set and C set and D set they have given already. They are asking just find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D, B minus A. That means we need to find the difference of the two sets. You know that how to find the difference. First of all, I am writing here what they have given in the question. Given that A, B, C, D sets. Next, what will be the first one? A minus B. A minus B means first you can write here set A and also minus set B. Now you can see is there any common elements in the both the sets. See here 3 is common, no. 6, no. 9, no. 12. 12 is common in yes or no? Yes. 15, no. 18, no. 21, no. That means you can write the remaining elements which are available in the set A. That means you can write here 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. Just you can remember here, it is very easy. First of all, you can see the is there any common elements in the both the sets. You can cancel in the both the sets. After that, you can write only which are belongs to set A. That means the remaining elements in the set A you can write here. One more examples you can see here A minus C. That means you can see here is there any common? 3 is not common. 6 yes. 6 will be common. Here 9 no. 12 12 yes. You can cancel it. Next one here 15 no. 18 no. 21 no. That means which are the elements available in set A? 3 9 15 18 21, which is your answer. Just you can cancel the common elements in the both the sets and you can write the remaining elements in the first set. See here A minus D. That means you can see here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Which is the common? Here see 15 only common. Yes or no? Yes. That means you can write the remaining elements in the first set. 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21 is your answer. In the similar way, one more problem you can see B minus A. B minus A, C common 4, no. 8, no. 12, yes, 12 is the common in the both the elements. 16, 20, no chance. That means you can write which are common 4, 8, 16, 20. That means you can see here remaining elements in the first set. First you can cancel the elements which are common in the both the sets. After that you can write the which elements belongs to only first set. That means here 4, 8, 16, 20. Now you can see one more here C minus A. C minus A means once you can see is there in common 2, 4, 6. 6 is the common. 8, 10, 12, 12 also common. 14, 16 no common. That means you can write here which are the common, which are the not common in the both sets. 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. That means the elements which are belongs to only set C. One more you can see here D minus A. D minus A which are common 5 no. 10 no. 15 yes. 20 no. That means the remaining elements in this first set 5, 10, 20. In the similar way you can do the remaining sums. In this already I did here 6. You can do the remaining 4s. Now you can see here question number 7. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answer. They have given 2, 3, 4, 5. First set. Second set will be 3 and 6. See, are disjoint sets. First of all, you know what do you mean by disjoint sets? If there are no common element in the both the sets is called as disjoint sets. Once you can observe here, is there any common elements? 2 is no. 3 yes. 4, 5. See, 3 is common in the both the elements or not. So, if there is any common element in the both the sets, we cannot call it as disjoint sets. So, is it true or false now? It will be false only. We can write here false. Why? Because 3 is the common element. 3 is the common element in the given sets. Yes or no? In the given sets. For our clarification, I am writing once again here 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection 3 comma 6, which is common in 3 or not? Yes. See, you have to remember here, disjoint sets means if there is no common element in the both the sets, but already 3 is the common. How can you say these the two sets are disjoint sets? So that only I written here false. It is false only. Once again, one more question you can see here. A, E, I, O, U, A, B, C, D. Can you say directly disjoint sets or not? A is the common in the both the sets or not? Yes. So that this is also false only. Your solution is false because A is the common element in the given sets. Yes or no? In the given sets or in the given both sets. See, for our clarification, once again I am writing here A, E, I, O, U. Intersection A, B, C, D. Here A is the common element. So that that given statement is a false only. You can see one more here. 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11, 15. Common once you can see 2 is no common, 6 also no common, 10, 14. See, these are disjoint sets 100%. Yes or no? Yes. That means you can write here true because no common element for the given sets. Yes or no? Yes, if you want you can write here, see here 2, 6, 10, 14 intersection here 3, 7, 11, 15. See, there is no common element or not, so that you can rewrite as 5. So that these two sets are called as disjoint sets. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our 10th class playlist.